A warm good morning to all. In this video, we will discuss about basics of ecology and environmental science, concept and timeline. This is very important and basic video about ecology and environmental science, and various questions from this topic time to time came in UGC and CSIR net examination as well as in various other competitive examination. Friends, myself Dr. Rajni Shrivastava, working as Assistant Professor in Rajiv Gandhi South Campus, Banaras Hindu University. So first we will start with ecology. What is ecology? So ecology is made by two words, oikos and logos. Oikos is a Greek word meaning house or dwelling place, whereas logos means the study of. So combining these two terms means knowledge of or a study of one's house. That means the ecology is a Greek word meaning the knowledge of or a study of one's home. Means a study of any individual within their home is called ecology. So a study of distribution and abundance of living things and their interactions with each other and with their environment. Means ecology is not just the branch of science. It is not just the branch of biology. Ecology is the study of this individual, So ecology is the study of different type of individuals living in this earth and their interactions with their environment. Or in simple word, we can say ecology is the study of reciprocal relationship between individuals with their environment. Okay, so this is the reciprocal relationship between individual with their environment. So ecology as a branch of biology, study of living things. There is uncertainty about coining the term ecology, but some literature are in favor of H. Rater used the term ecology first time in 1868. So the credit of coining the term ecologies, although in literature it was cited that goes to Rater, but there is a common consensus that the general biologist Ernest Haeckel in 1869 coined the term ecology. So whenever the question came in examination, who have coined the term ecology in 1868 or first time bring in scientific words. So the H. Rater is the correct answer. But who has coined the term ecology? So the correct answer is Ernest Haeckel has coined the term ecology. And the term ecosystem was coined by Tesla. There are different level of organizations in ecology. We can study at individual level, population level, community level, ecosystem level and biosphere level. So these are hierarchical of organization starting from individual to biosphere. Here you can see in this diagram that this is the biotic component plus abiotic component, and these two makes biosystems. So when the biotic component is gene and it combined with common abiotic component, that is matter and energy, so interaction of these genes with matter and energy resulted into this biosystem, that is genetic system. Same way, if cell interacts with matter and energy or abiotic system, it forms cell system, and organ form organ system. Organism form organismic system. Means if a individual or a species interact with abiotic component like matter and energy, it form organism or individual. Then population, when the population of any individual population of any species interact with abiotic component, it form population system. Same way, community when interact with abiotic population, it form ecosystem. So the biotic component may differ, and on the basis of this differences in biotic component, this biosystem differs. So first level of organization is organism. Organism is functioning together with great precision. Organ system make up the complex multicellular organism. organisms interact to form complex level of biological organization. Species. What is species? Species, a uniform interbreeding population spread over time and space. So species is the basic constituents in any ecosystem. It is a uniform interbreeding population spread over time and space. So species may be the species of rat, species may be the species of buffaloes, cows, any plant species. So the uniform interbreeding population that is spread over time and space is called species. And the group of this species, like the group of rats, group of buffaloes, group of cows, or group of rose plants is called population. So population is a group of individual of same species living in an area. So if this is the population of one individual population, if this is the individual, so group of this individual that share the same living area is called population. And population ecology focuses on the factors affecting how many individuals of a species lives in an area. So in population ecology, we study the abiotic factors and biotic factors that affect the number of individuals of this population living in the area. Now come on the community. Community means group of different population. If the group of elephant together with group of rat are living in any ecosystem, it is called community. So the community ecology deals with the whole array of interacting species in a community. Ecosystem is the community of organisms in an area and the physical factors which may interact. Ecosystem ecology then emphasizes energy flow and chemical cycling among the various biotic and abiotic components. So the ecosystem means community. Community of an organism in an area with its physical factor is called ecosystem. Okay, so the community study of community of that area with their physical factor is called ecosystem. And ecosystem ecology emphasizes energy flow between this community, energy flow between this among this community from abiotic system to biotic system and from various trophic level, and the cycling of chemicals among the various biotic and abiotic component is come under the ecosystem ecology. Now come on the next hierarchy level, that is landscape. Landscape is a mosaic of connected ecosystem, means there are various ecosystems. This is the example of one ecosystem. So if this type of various ecosystems are present in any geographical area, is called landscape. Landscape deals with the array of ecosystems and how they are arranged in any geographical area. Next hierarchical level are is the biosphere. Biosphere is the global ecosystem, the sum of all the planet's ecosystem. So global ecology examine the influence of energy and materials on organisms across the biosphere. Now come on the timeline of ecology. Timeline ecology, many questions came from this also. Who is the founder of this concept, or who is the founder of evolution, or who has given the concept of ecological succession, many. So I have made 2 slides for timeline in ecology, so concentrate on these slides. Late 70s, Antony Lavoisier, a chemist, discovered oxygen and carbon and their importance in living things. So in late 70s, Antony Lavoisier discovered this. Then Robert Angus Smith have connected acid rain to air pollution. So the acid rain, coined of term acid rain, the credit goes to Robert Angus Smith or R.A. Smith. Next is the Suze defined the term biosphere. Charles Darwin was a scientist who is called the founder of evolution by means of natural selection. Means Charles Darwin is the founder of evolution concept by means of natural selection, and is founder of ecological studies of soil also. Then Spencer, you well know about the Spencer store, but it's the name of the scientist Spencer. Spencer is the early founder of social ecology and coined the phrase survival of the fittest. You have many times listened the term survival of the fittest. Who is fit for the system, only that individual can survive in this ecosystem. So the Herbert Spencer have coined the phrase survival of the fittest. Then warming, Eugene Warming was the early founder of ecological plant geography. This is very important thing. Warming was the founder of ecological plant geography. Then Stephen Forbes is early founder of entomology and ecological concept in 1887. Friends, it is very important to connect these words with some another thing so that you can remember these terms. Like Smith coined the term acid rain. So Smith, you can learn this term is by in this way, that Smith first time enjoy the acid rain. So in this way you can learn this term. Stephen Forbes, or you can learn warming. Warming have first time got the term or in ecological plant geography. So there are many connecting words or many things that connected this to any story. You can learn these things. Then Radgel, German geographic, coined the term geography in 1980. Shelford is the founded physiological ecology, pioneered food web and biomes concept, and founded the natural conservation. Then Cowell studied the ecological succession. Charles Elton make the concept of food chain, and he is also called the father of animal ecology. Then next is the Leopold, write the game management, beginning the discipline of wildlife management. Ruth Partic studied interdependence of organisms, particularly freshwater ecosystem, and he developed the method to measure the health of a stream. Then the next very important name is Odum and Odum. He first time wrote the ecological textbook in 1953. This is again an important name, Rachel Carson. Rachel Carson is credited with starting the modern environmental movement with the publication of Silent Spring in 1962. Sometime the question came, who have wrote the book, who has wrote the book Silent Spring. So Rachel Carson have wrote the book Silent Spring. Then who has proposed the Gaia hypothesis? James Lovelock, given the idea of Gaia hypothesis in 1970. Then 1978, conservation biology established as a discipline focusing on environmental management. Lotka, a very well-known scientist, is first to pioneer mathematical population model explaining trophic, that is the predator-prey interaction, using logistic equation. This is again important name. Gleason is an early ecology pioneer, quantitative theorist, author and founder of the individualistic concept of ecology. Hutchinson as the limnologist and conceptually advanced the niche concept. Multidimensional niche concept was given by Hutchinson. So this is a name who has advanced the niche concept also, and a well-known limnologist. Robert MacArthur is the co-founder on theory of island biography and innovator of ecological statistical methods. So these are some timeline of ecology and concepts of ecology. Hopefully this will help you in understanding concept. In next video I will discuss about concepts or different terms about ecology and environmental science. So friends, kindly like and subscribe my channel if you like it, and press bell button for new notification. Thank you. Thank you so much.